Big question for indoor cycling people. Is a belt drive equipped indoor cycling bike quieter than a chain driven bike? I'll tell you one thing for sure is that some bikes are quieter with the belt drive and some are not. Right here, we're going to do a test on a Stages indoor cycling bike, and I'm going to tell you what I think. If this bike is quieter than a well-maintained and well-adjusted indoor cycling bike with a chain. Listen up. Here's what I'll tell you. The Stages bike in the website and the brochures says that their bike is quieter than a chain-driven indoor cycling bike. Okay, there's two cases for indoor cycling bikes with chains. When you have a chain that's not properly adjusted and not properly lubricated, in some cases, this bike will be quieter, some cases. However, let's say a spinning brand indoor cycling bike with a chain driven, or a Schwinn AC indoor cycling bike with a chain. The Schwinn and the spinner with the chain is going to be significantly quieter if that chain is properly lubricated and adjusted. So here's the deal. The Stages indoor cycling bike is not quieter than every single chain-driven bike.